Good day everyone and welcome. Before we start, we have a disclosure. Please be aware of risk in the future trading. All our videos for educational purpose only. You're very welcome to follow any of our automated signal as long as you are on a sim. We're not responsible for your trade. Beautiful day across the border. Everything has dropped, but you have to be careful. The NASDAQ the NASDAQ is already done. Let me show you. The NASDAQ is already hit the target 3 followed by the fib line, support line, and now is going back to retest the 20,290 and the re-entry point to 20,234. For the ES is doing extremely good. On one contract we got 2,700 on one contract ES, and also the same auto trade. If you are auto trading the same entry. Oh, by the way, we have a new signal on the NASDAQ sell position on the NASDAQ. We have a sell order right now here. This one here is a 15 minutes chart on the ES and is already 8,400 on the 15 minutes chart on the ES. So we are doing extremely well. The CL is doing well, the YM, the ES, everything. And now the NASDAQ, we got a sell signal on the NASDAQ. This is really a good start on the NASDAQ as well. But the NASDAQ is actually finished, the NASDAQ, so don't expect big trades on the NASDAQ. Yesterday we had a trade on one trade, 28,000 on the NASDAQ, one trade with the swing trading. So this is really, the market is really going one direction. But the NASDAQ don't expect too much down. The ES, we are most likely finish at 57.50. This is the bottom line for the morning session. So this is really good. On the market analyzer, the signal is based on one contract. We have 1,233 ticks into profit coming from the market analyzer signal. So they all did very well. Let's see if there's anything open. All the trades are closed, hit the targets. So we are going to try the range. This one here we try every day from 10 to 11, trying to make 1,000. The market is very fast, but we're gonna go ahead and try to take it. And here's the first trade, 60 bucks. The market is extremely fast. You have to be careful, and we'll see what happened to the NASDAQ. And it's really fast, the NASDAQ. I don't like it too fast. And look, it's taking very fast market, 160 already. And 235 already. This is a very fast market. I don't like it when the market is extremely fast, like now. And okay, it finished. We have 165, and it's gonna take a long trade. And this is really fast. I prefer to hold the trades a little bit. This is extremely fast. I don't like it, so I'm gonna hold the trades. It's too fast for me. $200 on that trade. We are already 295. Jesus. Oh, Jesus. It's 420. I mean, this is really fast. I don't know. But it is a high frequent auto trade. we have 285. Oof. Jesus. Okay, 500. $590. The response on that auto trade is extremely fast. We are still 590. 700. This is not good. This is not good. Well, we're still 590. This is very fast market. Oof. Well, we went down from 700 to $5. Welcome to trading. But this auto trade recovered immediately. Okay, we are 110. You know, so this one can recover immediately on it, but it's too fast for scalping. Is too fast, guys. You should not scalp this one here at this moment. I'm gonna hold the trade. We are heading to the bottom on the Nasdaq. This is the bottom on the Nasdaq. There is a target 3 institutional number, and it is between those two yellow lines. And then you have the support area on a target 3 institutional number. So don't expect too much coming out of the Nasdaq, but the ES still have a few ticks down, and it is finished. So we'll see. The CL also is doing well. The ES is doing well. YM. The only one, the problem is with the Nasdaq is little volatility, but don't expect the Nasdaq to go too much down, guys. Be careful with the Nasdaq if you are auto trading the Nasdaq. On the 15 minutes, the ES already has crossed the 10,000 on the ES. If we want to look in general how the market doing, what is running and what is not, you can see it immediately from the control panel. You can see the ES is 9,000, the DAX 9,000, the Nasdaq 8,000, the ES, and then down and down. So you can see the top is in ES, DAX, Nasdaq. The Nasdaq this time is number 4. So it's not the number 1 Nasdaq with the trending, it's actually the ES number 1. So this is really good. The Nasdaq is scalping. It is still going back and forth. We are around 460. It's going in a circle. It's a very fast market. I don't like it. But we are on 460. And it's too fast. Very fast. So got again to 785, and this is the second time we are up now. Okay, now we are up to 825, 830, and now we are 830. Extremely fast market. $8.35. Okay, this is really fast. 7:05. You see the market not moving, it's just going, oof. Oh God. Okay, here it is. We're back. It's like we go up to 700 and oh God, this is a problem right there. And now we are down to 450, 45. Welcome to trading. And this is really a really nasty market. To scalp the market is really too fast, very fast. Okay, we're back to 310. You can see how this auto trade work under stress is extremely re-engaged with the trade immediately, and close position, open position immediately, and it is there is of course you can increase the target from 7 to 12 range. We have one with the 12 range, and finished a long time ago. Here it is. This is a 12 range, and handle the fast market very good. So we're going to go ahead and reload it, and the 12 range, okay, immediately start going on a trade. You can use 12 range, it don't have to be 7 range. 7 range, here it is. It's already in the money. Okay, we're down to 185. This is a really fast market, and I would not advise you to scalp in the fast market. The CL finished at 1,190. The YM is still going to hit the target at 42. The ES doing well, and this is the 15-minute chart, and also the ES is finished. I mean, there is not much left on the ES. It's finished for the morning session. Welcome to trading. Now the market starts slowing down a bit, and the market now start taking okay. We keep going up to $500-600 and then we lose it. We go up to $600-700 on the scalping and then we lose it. Don't expect too much on the Nasdaq below the 20,044. Do not. On the Nasdaq, 3 minutes, we cross the 10,000 as well. 11,000. DAX also doing very well on the 3 minutes. Let me show you on the DAX. On the European session, the DAX made much more than the US session. The DAX this morning did twice as much as what we are looking at this moment for the European market. He took all of it. And this is really nice on the DAX. The CL is finished. We're gonna close the YM. Closed. And then we are going to put the DAX. The ES. It's finished, guys. Look on the ES, as we said, you have a three reversal signal. It's finished on the ES if you want to take a profit. And the Nasdaq is finished for the morning session. It is finished. the trend is down. The downtrend is finished, folks. Be careful. Take a profit while you can. It's finished. There is nothing left. If you notice on the market analyzer, from 1 to 30 minutes, start turning to green. You will start getting alerted. Okay, finally we catch some trend here. We are still on $100. 2 times we went 700 on the NASDAQ and we went down again, and this is the first catch on the NASDAQ, and then the Autotrade has been going around the circle all morning, and now it seems like finally we got up to 700 2-3 times. Okay, we're done. And then went down to zero almost and regained it and went back to zero. And finally, you can see from the trades, they're all small. And when the NASDAQ is spiked, look at this. And then you already made your money because we were waiting on the spike in the market. And it did. And we did it. And this is a re-entry on the NASDAQ short. And this is a re-entry on the ES short. But the trend is over. It's finished. So now the market will be slowing down. That will be perfect to take another shot with this one here, because the market now starts slowing down, and now you get filled properly. When the market is fast, you have a lot of slippage, a lot of problems. So it's good when the market on the first trade $15, there is nothing, and now it took a short trade, and this is the second trade after we hit the 1,200 something, and now we are trying, but the trend is finished. There is no more short trade. What you can do, you can direct long trade only. From here, you can direct long trades only. And so the auto trade will not take short trade because the trend is finished to the short side. A little pullback here and there, but the trend is finished. There's not much to gain out of the short trade. You have a re-entry here and a re-entry at 57.72, but there is not much left in there. Just a few ticks here and there, but there is nothing left. The trend is broken. If you look at the line and the bars, now the trend has been broken. Look at this. This is your line, and now we're trying to go back. The trend is finished. We are $30, $35 plus on this one here. There is not much. We are $10 plus. What it does, it keeps chasing the market until he catches a trend. That's what it is. Catch it. Let me see. Is it going up? You know, it's calculated from here to the target $1,000. So if the auto trade catches a trend, it will be 1,000. Then you're done. Here it is, 400. Good, 500. And now down. We are 215. I mean, he cuts a good trend. It's okay. Going long again. There we go. Lift off. Perfect. 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 So we hit the first time 1,400, and here it is. We're trying to catch a trend, and we did catch a trend in here. And now we are 650, and if it hits the target, it will be 1,000. And there we go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Here it is. We're hitting the target. We already got 215 plus 635, 760. It's gonna collapse on the, okay. Well, we got 730 on this one. And then we are going, oh, please don't go the other direction. Let's try. Okay, I want this one closed. This is not good. It's fast again. Jesus. It looks like we're gonna wipe up the 700. Okay, there we go. We are 535. Welcome to trading. Now it's taking a short. Let's see if we can catch a trend on this one here. We'll be done on the second round. It's extremely fast. Okay, we are 510 on this. Keep going. You know, you can direct it as only long only. The problem here, there is a resistance line and 20,246. That's what is preventing the Nasdaq to keep going up, you know. Okay, there we go. Lift off. Keep collapsing. Okay, 520. You better have a stomach for this. When the market is fast, you better have a stomach for it. Okay, it's taking a short. The problem is there is a resistance on the Nasdaq, 20,248 is having a problem crossing this, and then we have a double support on the 20,185.75. So what's happening here, the auto trade is got caught in between those two, and he's taking the right trades, but the market keep going back and forth. It's perfect entry, but there is the market is so tight between the support and the resistance, and there is not much we can do about it. It's just going in the circle. Like if we look at this here, it's going on the resistance, coming back to the support, going resistant, and the market is mixed between the buyers and the sellers. And then we have the market analyzer is in a mixed mood. So actually the trade should be held. There is no more trades. Whoever made money this morning made money, but right now the market is on sideways. There is not much to do. The Nasdaq got caught between a resistance and a support, and it's not trending. And when the market not trending, there is no money to be made. So this is really, and here on the ES, on the E-mini, we had 3 signal telling you reversal, and it is between those 2 yellow lines as we spoke before, which this is the end of the trend, and it is finished. So right now, no matter what kind of auto trade you are auto trading, the market is going in a circle between a resistance and a support, and it's not doing anything. You make one winning trade, one losing trade, one winning trade, one losing trade. There is not much. There is nothing. The auto trades needs a little movement in the market. You cannot get hair out of a bull-headed man. So we need the market to move in order to make your own ticks. So if this market decide to go down, we will hit the target on 1,000. If it's not, then it's gonna stay in the circle. And is staying in the circle between the support and the resistance. Might as well just call it off or put all the trades on hold, because you're going in a circle. You're not doing anything with it. Being in the market, expose your account to the market does not mean you will be making money. Sometimes the longer you stay in the market, the more money you lose. In those situations here, there is no auto trade will be able to make money when the Nasdaq got caught in a channel between the support and the resistance. When the market stays sideways like here, there is no money to be made. It's finished. You need to hold all your trades until the Nasdaq find a direction, either long or short. If we look at the pressure in the market with the 6 different time frame, you will find the buyers and the sellers, they are on the same level. The market analyzer from 1 to 30 minutes, it was in red, and right now it is in a mixed market. So you are the first one to predict it ahead of those amateur traders that the market start getting weakness and there is no more short. So it is time, and exactly now it's 10:39, and we need to stop trading around 11 o'clock. So it is time to start calculating, try to close your position and not try to stay exposed to this market, and the market is sideways. As we see here on the Nasdaq, we're still going in the circle on 290. We were 700, and now we are dropping to 290, and there is not much going on. Let's see if this market able to do anything. You see? Okay, this is a nice catch. Woof! Oh, mother of God. Here it is. There we go. Wow. Wow. Here it is. All right, 1,440. This is the second target. It's finished. I'm not gonna go ahead And you know, we were going in a circle. If we go back, we were going in the circle. Look, a lot of a small trade. This is not really good. And finally, look at this last trade. It is extremely, I mean, you cannot take it like, even on a manual trade, you cannot do that. Took that trade, went against him, took another trade, closed that trade. And then when the market dropped, got in right at the support level, right there, nailed it, look where, all the way to the top, and it's finished. And if we look, you cannot copy that trade on a manual trade. You cannot be that fast. You cannot. I cannot. I mean, I've been doing this for 32 years, and I cannot nail it to the tick from the bottom to the top. I cannot do that. So this is really very impressive. It's 10:42 right now. I don't know if I have the stomach to go one more round. You know, what the hell? Let's go do one more time. So we have 2 winning targets in less than 1 hour. And, you know, let's go ahead and kick some heinies with it and see what will happen. And here it is, the first trade. Immediately engaged on the trade. Wow. Oh, Lord. Oh, Jesus. Here it is. Okay. Wow. The first one was 80 bucks. And there we go again. Short. Let's look at this market. Where are we? Well, look, still sideways. Still jammed between the support and the resistance. Maybe we can catch a trend. We need a big fish. Here it is. All right, 125. It's going to be a long day. It's taking short again. Oof. Okay. Well, this one will blow in our face. We need to go down and close those positions. Nope. Okay. We're down. Welcome to trading. But what is nice about this one here, immediately recover. And we are down on this one. And let's see. We hit the target twice. So let's see if we can catch a trend. And come on, drop. Nope. You see the problem, the entries are perfect from one fib to the other. Is jumping from one fib to another. Wow! Welcome to trading. Jesus. It's 800 within millisecond, 845. Not bad. We recovered immediately from a very bad trade. And man, it's fast. I'm getting dizzy. It's really fast market. Here it is. Here it is. There we go. Yes. Keep going. Here it is. 800, 900, 955, 1,000. We're gonna hit it. Okay. Well, it is 925. We're still missing 75 for the third target for today in less than 1 hour. Right now it's 10:46. And in less than 1 hour, this is our third target for today, 1,000. So this is really good. What we are missing is $45, and always those last $50, $45 can get you in trouble. So when you are auto trading and you are down, you're still missing 45 to the 1,000, let it be. Because those last $50 can get you in trouble. One bad trade can wipe up your whole profit. So let it go. If you are still missing $40 or $50, let it go. Because now you don't know the next one, if it's going to be good trade or bad trade. And then the market is going to, like now, there we go. We were just $75 away, and here is the market going the opposite direction, and now we are in trouble. You see, being in the market longer does not mean more money. Sometimes being in the market longer does mean you are losing money, not winning money. Depends on the market. There we go. We wiped up all the profit. Now on the run again. Welcome to trading. So again, I have seen it plenty times. Sometimes your target is 1,000 and you still need $40, and those $40 can get you in trouble. So as long as you hit around the 1,000, run, don't stay. So now we are going on the second round, and now we need to wait. And this is what I hate the most. But this auto trade recover immediately, and just keep chasing the market until he cuts a trend. And look, it's just a stubborn little one. This is not good. Why I'm looking at auto trade? Why I'm not looking at the blue chart? What's going on? Okay, the Nasdaq, look, is recovering, and now the buyers over the sellers. And we told you from here the trend is over. And what it is now, the last fib line, 20,247, and it's about to cross it. And once it crosses it, you don't have time to buy anymore. And you can see the indication and the market analyzer, everything pointing to the long trade. So be careful. We have the last fib line. Once we cross the last fib line, the short trade is officially over. So let's see where we are on that trade. Yes, 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 yes. Keep going. Okay, we are 560. It's 455. If you can reach that one here, that will be the third round. Let's see. We are 10:52. In 1 hour, we hit 2 times. We still have 8 minutes to hit one more time. Now we are up to 500. Before we were 920, 950. And then we went down to 0, and now we are back to 500. Let's look at the blue chart. The market is still, look at this, the market now for half an hour still between a resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, and it's still hanging, and the buyers equal to the seller, and it seems like the market now start going and losing momentum, but there is not enough to cross the support, neither the resistance, so the market is sideways. And this one here, we strongly advise you to sit on the side and not do anything anymore. It's finished. All right, it's finished for today. Folks, that's all what we have for today. We wish you the best. Whoever made money this morning made money, but now there is no money to be made. If I was you, I'll take a little break, go for lunch, do something. But the market is finished. You know, maybe in the afternoon, if you have a stomach for it, you know, you try in the afternoon. But it is finished right now, lunch hours, and there is not much left. Look at this chart. It's 10:54, and look, it is straight line, nothing happening. Straight line. It's a waste of time taking those trades. Folks, thank you very much for today, and we'll see you another day. Bye for now.